From past few days, a lot of things are going around the discussion for a new syllabus, and that is why I thought of giving you a small update regarding क्या होने वाला है सीए के न्यू सिलेबस में, अपडेट्स कब से आएंगे, व्हेन कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट द चेंजेस आउट, और क्या expected timelines है which is there, right? Although this has not have been finalized or officially have been notified by the ICAI, but since we are in touch with a lot of people out into the committees and the people working there, right, तो directly indirectly we get some updates out के कब कैसे चीजें होने वाली है. Now this video especially is or mostly going to be important for the people those who are giving their exams in May 23 and November 23 and upcoming forward attempts. Not important for the people giving their November 22 exam. तो November 22 वाले please वीडियो को बंद करो, या whenever you're free, if you're feeling getting bored, तो अब आप देख सकते हो, but अभी नहीं देखना है आपको. Now most important ये है क्या, मतलब how does this curriculum or how does this changes are gonna be. सो मोस्टली सबसे पहले होता है कमिटी फॉर रिव्यू ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग. उन्होंने कुछ चेंजेस प्रपोज किए हुए हैं सेंट्रल काउंसिल को कि क्या क्या चेंजेस होने चाहिए, कैसे ट्रांजिशन होगा, राइट, आर्टिकलशिप का ड्यूरेशन कैसे कम होगा. ऑल दोस चेंजेस व्हिच आर देयर हैव बीन प्रपोज्ड टू दिस सेंट्रल काउंसिल टीम. दैट टीम हैव नाउ अप्रूव्ड इट, और वो अप्रूवल के साथ उन्होंने वो जो चेंजेस बोले गए हैं, those changes have been suggested to Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA को अप्रूवल के लिए भेजे गए हैं. Now this is expected that the MCA will approve it somewhere in the month of November. Why? Because this institute is also planning to launch this new syllabus in the World Congress event, which is going to be the one of the biggest event for the entire history of chartered accountants. तो मैं भी वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस के इवेंट में जाने वाला हूं, तो देखते हैं वहां पे वो लोग लॉन्च करते हैं कि नहीं. डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव यू लाइव अपडेट फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल. Not a problem. So they're expecting to launch those new syllabus courses during the World Congress event. तो जहां पे कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो चेंजेस देखने को मिल सकते हैं, या एक अपडेट मिल जाएगा कि दिस कोर्स हैव बीन अप्रूव्ड बाय एमसीए. अब जब तक अप्रूवल नहीं आता, इट डजंट मेक अ सेंस टू मेक एन मटेरियल एंड बुक्स, राइट. तो slowly and steadily उसके बाद institute is going to be start preparing their curriculum and the changes which is going to be there. So after the approval is done, we will be expecting the coming of a material by the January and or February first week, which is what is expected for. And more or less, we are also expecting that the applicability of the syllabus will be from November 23 examination, right? So mostly November 23 se hoga. That is what we are expecting for. Now, in terms of transition, in terms of shifting of subjects, in terms of transition, carry forward of exemptions, all the detailed guidelines will be issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants. Nothing to worry as such. With this, also a lot of confusion regarding the open book paper or not. Again, not no as such clarity have been provided, but the paper 6 is expected to be an open book, which is a multidisciplinary case study paper with integrated business solution. Definitely, you can expect me to teach this paper out because I am into this area of developing a case study, plus I being to the B school where I have learned how to develop a case study, how to do a research, and in fact I'm expecting them to build and take a level of Harvard. एक level build करे, right? आपको ABDC journal से उठाओ, Harvard से उठाओ, या pick up the best case studies of the world और उसके बाद आप develop करो. Not like the CA final case study which they are currently using, जहाँ पे आप copy paste करके आंसर निकाल रहे हो. नहीं, you literally need to apply your brains. उस टाइप का case study होना चाहिए, तो आपको मजा आएगा. That is what is the expectation from my side for the paper 6 for a CA final. For the other papers, mostly we are not expecting the open book. वो pattern वही रहेगा, but definitely the marking scheme is going to be changing. The paper will be more of application based instead of a ratification. The best thing which I am again expecting in the CA final syllabus, which is there, and in fact CA syllabus, not the CA final syllabus, which is there. So this is more or less the update regarding the CA course till now. Whatever you feel like कि ये चीज भी इंस्टीट्यूट को ऐड करना चाहिए, एक बार आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो. आई ऑल्सो बी मीटिंग लॉट ऑफ मेंबर्स आउट इन द वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस इवेंट, तो देखते हैं क्या डिस्कशन होता है. Nevertheless, let's see, we'll be putting those discussion in front of them in a table so that we might get a better chance to explore the few things out. Plus also I'll be happy that if you could share your thought process about the new syllabus कि क्या होना चाहिए. And in fact I'm very positive this time कि यार काफी सारे चेंजेस ये लोग लेके आए कि कैरी फॉरवर्ड ऑफ एग्जेम्पशन, प्लस ऑल्सो दे आर बिल्डिंग आउट सम डिफरेंट थिंग्स आउट in terms of curriculum and all this. So hoping that this time the syllabus is going to be the international level where people are going to be coming from different countries to do the CA syllabus, right? So that is what the expectation is all about. Stay connected with this channel. Definitely a lot of updates. regarding interview training and placements, plus also regarding the new syllabus is going to be posted to you guys.